here now with the Chaser, another fine example of Yaguchi's work. This time it's a JZX 100. But again, you weren't happy with Yaguchi's work. You changed it and modified it and spent a heap of money on it. So come here and follow me till I show you what this boy done. Absolutely massive front mount intercooler. Class. And I don't know who decided to paint it Porsche 911 Dunkelblau, but it definitely wasn't the Japanese mint. Now, you could have been putting your money into collection buckets to save orangutans at the other side of the world, but no, you decided to spend your money on new tyres and wheels. Sure, the ones that were on it were grand. A BN sports kit. Aye, they're standard. Roof spoiler, boot spoiler. That is a tasty bit of welding. That has to be the work of 𝗵𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁. And the last time I saw 𝗵𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁, lads, he wasn't Japanese. Now this boy definitely had it looking like he wanted it to, but is it a fur coat and no knickers type of job? Let's see. My God. The air conditioning system in the Empire State Building wouldn't have as much piping as there is going to this turbo. That explains the egret of an intercooler. External wastegate, pod filter. This fella must have had the credit union bled dry. He wasn't just out for a Sunday drive, 𝗟𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗶. This boy left nothing standard on this car. Yaguchi'd be turning over in his grave. Oh, well he left that alone. He even has a wee lap timer here down at my knee, which explains this metre-long mirror. I'm sure that was only ever used for watching people trying to catch him. Probably the guards. He has some amount of money spent on this car. I wonder, was he maybe a bank robber or something? Oh, well, get your tickets bought for $29.97 on the Lucky Day website. I have a wee job to do.